That's another weak point that would like to eliminate with a single piece. But then those couplers will still have set screws and they still will back out. So there's 10 of those couplers. When one of them goes, I get to demonstrate how fault tolerant s.t.e.m's design is. Sometimes it doesn't work very well, sometimes it doesn't. I do have an anecdote here is I've had I have those couplers go on one of the steering wheels, and it's always the right front wheel. Okay.
Why is that?
During the JPL event where s.t.e.m had the wheels melt and become ovals, JPL's own open source Rover was not running that day because their right front wheel steering broke. Now, SGB hack, just before scale, we broke our right front steering motor gearbox and we had to hack up something for scale. Spirit had to drag one of its wheels around because it couldn't steer anymore. Want to guess which wheel that is? Wow. There is, like, I like to be scientific and engineering and all that, but it's hard not to be superstitious about the right front wheel.
What's the explanation?
Is it possible that you just turn right more often?
Maybe.
Or turn
I don't know. I lean left politically, so.
No. That's really interesting.
Curiosity hasn't had any problem with its steering, but it has its wheels damaged.
That's not quite true either.
There's always problems, like when it's out on another planet. The wheel pattern for s.t.e.m is modeled after Mars 2020. It's a gentle wave instead of Curiosity that had the sharp grousers, and which ended up causing problems. You probably all read that Curiosity wheel have severe damage because
Thinned out, and there's like little holes in it.
yeah, punctured. Yeah, holes are punctured.
Because of that design, partly because of that.
Well,
Part of it was because
Yeah.
It's fine.
part of the damage to the wheels was because of the JPL Morse code that they encoded on it. That area of the wheel was thicker material, and it propagated to the other side, being where the holes started, right on the opposite side of the JPL.
Really?
Yeah, because it's so strong that,
And so
something
part-
else had to give.
That part was so strong that the other side of the wheel is always where the crack started.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
and since it's on Mars, you can't just build a new one and put it on. So, oh well.
If you had different choice of materials to
Mhm.
print, nylon or whatever else, what would you print differently?
I don't think I would change from PETG because it's strong enough, it's durable enough, it's accessible enough. Nylon, you need more better printers to print up. Like I want s.t.e.m to remain accessible.
No, I mean if you had full access to materials, a good printer and stuff like that. So if that wouldn't be a problem, I mean, would it benefit from nylon wheels, for example, and some other stronger parts, like couplers, for example?
I would love to try printing these wheels in Ninja Flex. So the rubbery material for traction.
Yeah.
That monoprice won't do it.
That monoprice will do it. The problem with those materials that it absorbs water very quickly, microscopic, and if you don't print them all fast enough, like the evaporation of water as it gets heated, like that pop would damage your print strength, surface texture. It's just all kinds of headaches. So I have to commit and print all my Ninja Flex all in one go, or budget another $100 for the filament dryer. And again, like I want it to be affordable and accessible, and I don't want that to be a required part of building s.t.e.m.
aluminum gaffy.
Is that like a box?
But then, probably.
Easy to do.
It's
Roger.
I know that I'm going to be adding more to it, so the weight will just grow organically.
Roger.
Yes, sir.
Have you tried putting just a simple rubber band on the wheels for traction?
Yeah, the wheel. Putting a simple rubber band around the wheel allowed the wheel to spin inside the rubber band.
No, on the outside from.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. So you put rubber band around the outside, right?
Yeah.
So it reaches a obstacle, and then the rubber band grips onto the obstacle, and the wheel spun inside.
Oh, okay. Oh, really?
Interesting.
Because there's not a lot of surface area. Now, if I could, maybe I should print a wheel without these trousers, so it's smooth, so the rubber band has more surface area grip. That would be a fun thing.
Right.
Yes, sir.
There it is, up close and personal.
I'm here now. Okay, I'm walked out. So it's very open. As long as you have someone that's you can move to the Mars yard, typically I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Typically, if you know some sort of near GPL, it's very easy to actually do. Chances are, you just ask them to allow you to get close to the actual Curiosity Rover to the Mars yard, and you're good to go.
Okay, so that could happen.
Yeah,